Hi, this is Franklin Pillsbury with MarineMax here in Fort Myers, and I want to tell you today about a 40-foot Sea Ray Sedan Bridge. It's a 2003. The boat is in very, very good, nice condition, but it's ready for somebody to do some updates and upgrades. We've got it priced as such. As we walk aboard, you're going to notice, first of all, how big this cockpit area is here in the back. Plenty of room for entertaining. Plenty of room for putting a table and some extra fold-out chairs. You also have the nice transom walk-through, as well as big, wide access towards the front with the tow rail. We'll go up on the bridge in a little bit and check that out. As with all Sea Ray sedan bridges, we've got a nice sliding door across the back that opens everything up. As we walk into the cabin, salon area here, port and starboard. We'll take another look at that in a moment. Full dinette, galley, and as we step down and go forward, we'll start out in the master stateroom. You're going to notice this is a full-size bed. It's got walk around on both sides, so it's very easy to get up and into the bed, as well as a nice little vanity on each side. And as you can see, it has old-style TVs, so you can do the upgrades and the updates as you'd like. Nice big hanging locker. Cedar lined. As we walk into the head, you're going to notice a nice big shower, full-size shower. Once again, 6'6" headroom, so you got plenty of room, as well as a seat in the shower. Vacuum flush toilet, nice big vanity, medicine cabinet overhead. Another nice storage area here on the other side. And as we go forward, we'll first of all take a look at the guest head, which once again has another full-size shower in it with the seat, as well as the vacuum flush potty, the vanity, and the medicine cabinet. As we go to the guest stateroom, this has twin beds in it, and makes it very, very nice for kids and for guests. You got a nice little settee here for changing clothes, as well as that stand-up locker, again, for clothing, etc. Over on this side for the galley, we've got a nice little pantry area. And as we walk into the galley, you notice the nice hardwood floors here, as well as the upright icebox freezer. This is a new icebox freezer. It's been updated. Works extremely well. Microwave has been updated. Cooktop, sink, really nice tambour storage areas here all over the boat. Big deep storage down here under the stove, as well as under the sink. One of the nice features of this boat is this closing dinette. And what's nice is people can sit here while riding in the boat as a social zone, or it's a great area to sit, play cards, and just entertain. On this side, we've got a nice couch that'll pull out and make another sleeping area. This table is a weighted base table, and you have the cushions that'll slide out so that you can move the table, put it in an up position for dining, down position as a cocktail table, or again put the cushions away, out of the way. The sofa on the port side folds down and makes another sleeping area by this flip of a switch. Super neat boat. Once again, this boat today would compare to most 45-foot boats. As we head up to the bridge, nice big walkway up here to the bridge and access to the dual helm seats. Got a nice full complement of electronics. The radar, autopilot, GPS, everything is in working order. You just might want to do an upgrade on the electronics. Isinglass and canvas is in good shape, has the smiles so that you can open it up for ventilation. As we look towards the back, you'll notice there's a nice table here, another social zone. Table, seating area all the way around, and again, good access to see the back of the boat. Franklin Pillsbury with MarineMax here in Fort Myers. This is an absolutely wonderful 40-foot Sea Ray sedan bridge. Give me a call. Look online here at our website for more details on the boat, and I'll look forward to getting you out on the water.